Hey guys, and welcome to DDR Performance. Today we've got the Jeep Wrangler system for 2012 and up. This system is comprised mainly of the airbox or the heat shield that fits really easily into your engine bay. And we have filters from Green Filter USA made specifically for the Middle East region. They're 4-layer filters. And we have the aluminum 3.5-inch pipe, which is powder coated for extra heat insulation. This kit also comes with its accessories, which is a silicone hose and the 2 clamps. Combined, the system will give you up to 15 horsepower, and you can purchase the system by clicking the link below.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more information, visit our website, ddrperformance.com.